Hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you to my channel. In the previous video, I showed how to achieve the orange color from polymer clay, and in this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a beautiful brown color, I would say, chocolatey. We need to combine the colors, orange with blue in a ratio of 4 parts orange to 1 part blue. You can see in the video how quickly these colors blend, resulting in a fantastic shade of brown. If you found this video informative, please give it a like. If you want to continue watching and learning from my videos, subscribe to the channel. Want to always know when a new video is released? Hit the bell icon. And now, I'm off to shoot a new video. Bye.